Hi, I think I'm live. I'm Shannon with Birdsong Quilting, and we come to you each Wednesday morning at 10 o'clock, and show you new things, show you new samples, new fabric. Sometimes we talk about classes. We've got a big handy quilter event coming up this weekend, and it's not too late to sign up. So today I'm bringing you a class and a sample. So let's do the sample first. This sample I made with some new fabrics that we have in. It's a panel and it's called the Floral States of America. So we have bolts that should have the panel. We have the states Indiana, Tennessee, some neighboring states, including Kentucky, the large goldenrod. And I threw together a quick kit with this panel pattern called bookends. So this is a great pattern. We have extras and we have all the materials. We can cut you a kit if you would like. Otherwise, you can come and get the bolt and pick out your own flowers to make your Floral States of America quilt. Did you get a good picture of that, Ruth?
Yes.
Oh, good. All right, awesome. And then the next thing I wanted to talk to you about is the clasp hanging up behind me. Let me set this down just a second. Look at that lovely Sally Kelly backing. Okay, this one is a kit and class that we are doing. This is called Looks Like Christmas from Prairie Quilts. And we are offering a class the second Saturday of the month, beginning in July. It's a 5-month class, so you'll meet every second Saturday of the month. You'll be done in November, the second Saturday of November. Plenty of time to get this quilted by Christmas. And it is technically a block of the month, a 5-month block of the month. And the original pattern has been modified to make for some paper piecing. So Patty Gideon is our instructor, and we have space for 12 people in this class, so you'll need to sign up ASAP. Amy's putting it in the system, and it will go live today, this morning. And so we're not necessarily selling kits because she has modified the original pattern to include paper piecing, but it does involve paper piecing and some applique, and of course setting triangles, new skills for some of you beginners maybe, a great little Christmas project. So if you are interested in this, it'll be on our website. Looks Like Christmas, block of the month, and I just want to say thank you for joining me. Have a great week.